Hello friends and followers. Well, here's how to replace the 1/8 amp or the .125 ampere fuse for the high level RF amplifier in the Cushman CE-6. So there's the fuse right there, and it just pulls right out. So we can pull it out, and well, I was going to show that it worked or not. Let's see. Here's the meter. Put the meter across it and show it's blown out. There's the meter and blown. New fuse. And that little fuse I got off eBay. Make sure it works. Yep, beeps, so it's good to go. All right, all we gotta do then is pull this one out. This is push in, so we just pull it out. Use your fingers or whatever and pull it out. That's not gonna happen. Maybe get some pliers and pull it out. Here we go, grab these. What's nice is this is made to be an FRU, field replaceable unit, so let's deal with it. Okay, that comes out pretty well. I'm just gonna put it on a side cover here. You can model this new one. Looks like you just gotta clip it. Let's get some wire cutters and clip it. All right. Bend it. Looks to be a little bigger, doesn't it? Let's see if it'll go in. There we go. Anyway, I got this fuse off of Amazon. Just having trouble looking in here and using the camera in one hand. That's the only issue I have. Maybe I'll try the needle nose. Don't break it though by crushing it too hard. All right, well, you see what I'm doing. I'm gonna go to two hands and do it off the video, but yeah, just put the fuse in there and call it a day. Thanks for watching. It pushes right in. Have a nice day.